of the second Global Education and Skills Conclave from IPAC News Network on day three. The next session is very pertinent for today's school education. School education homework has always been a often controversial and but always much discussed topic for school students and about school education. However, the scenario in the last 1.5 years, this pandemic scenario with school education going on a virtual mode, even the paradigm of homework has undergone a shift. More and more we need applications or software that can help students do their homework and at the same time ensure that the adequate quality of this homework is maintained and that homework can be completed very smoothly and seamlessly. Now we have a session on need for a homework transformation system, and FlipLearn is one platform software company who has been specializing in this arena. And for that, to speak more about it, we have Ms. Deepika Kumar. She is a head of training and customer engagement vertical at FlipLearn to speak about need for a homework transformation system. Over to you, Deepika.
Thank you so much, Rajneesh. And as Rajneesh has already shared, that the need of the hour is homework is a necessary evil, I would say. We can't do without it. And it's a pain area for the teachers, for the parents, for the students, all alike. So, FlipLearn, we are a 5-year-old company. We launched in November 2015, and we worked in the field of education. We started with providing lot of content to the schools and to individuals, and we decided that we need to reach out to the schools and the stakeholders where it is most required, and we designed our homework transformation system, which I'll shortly take you through. So before that, let me just first share my screen and let me tell you a little about FlipLearn more. We are a edtech startup that provides a seamless and advanced learning experience for the students across the country. We're working with more than 400 schools and with 18 lakh students. More than, let me just share my screen. Yeah. So we have been aiming to redefine homework delivery to 100 million plus students, working with 400 schools, 18,000 teachers, and more than 4 lakh students. Every day the number is going up as we keep adding more schools. The K-12 instructional flow looks like something like this. Initially, we start with classroom instructions. There are various modes. It could be chalk and talk, it could be instructor-led, it could be a digital classrooms. So now with the pandemic, the digital classrooms have now become, I think, giving way to blended learning. There are times when then schools reopen and children start going to school, but then because of the wave, they go back home and the digital classrooms then move to the homes. Then after the classroom instructions, there is, as we all know, the necessary evil, the homework, which is right now has to be done manually. Teachers have to write it on the board, or they need to just give it orally, or they write it in the notebooks or diaries. and it comes back in the notebooks and the teacher has to manually correct. So it's a routine, monotonous work for everybody. Then once the children have done their homework, there is also an aspect of self study, which comprises of tuitions. It could be parental help, or it could be online platforms on which children go to study. Going forward, after they've studied, they have done their classes, it's the assessment time. It could be weekly, monthly tests in the schools, or it is the board exams for 10th and 12th. So FlipLearn thought, let's work in an area which is required most by the schools, by the parents, by the students. We cater to the school heads, we cater to the teachers, students, and parents. That's actually all the stakeholders in the learning system. FlipLearn aims to assign homework in one click. Then, most important is automated homework correction. Teachers can create their own content, and or they can also use the vast question bank, which consists of around 2.5 lakh questions repository, to create this homework. Then the check homework performance of the class, which cannot happen in the notebooks. FlipLearn aims to do that, because once the system is auto correcting it, there can be various kinds of reports which can be churned out. The teacher can analyze question wise, chapter wise performance of the children. And once these analytics are used to do a question wise performance of the children, they can then plow back the feedback in the teaching learning process. They can identify the areas where most of the children have not done well. They can identify topics, subtopics, chapters where they need to revisit, where they might need to use a different way of learning so that children learn better. Then we also have a world-class curated content repository, which is mapped to various boards that are there in the country. And teachers can use this repository to teach the children. And we can make adaptive homework through real personalization. The aim is to identify children's learning style, their various levels, and then give them homework accordingly. Again, in manual homeworks, it is not possible, but once we are doing it using the technology, of course, we can do it. Current system is homework is written on the board, on the notebook. Children do it with actually they're bored, but they still do it. Some of them don't do it and keep making excuses. Then the teacher spends a lot of time in correcting the homework, which is repetitive. It is a repetitive exercise which does not help the teacher or the child, because the child doesn't even look at the notebook and the teacher is doing a correction, and by the end of 40 notebooks that she has corrected, she does not remember what was the response of the first child or the 10th child or the 15th child in the classroom. Then the homework assistance is possible by parent or tuition. Children go back home, and we all know that there are professionals who help them, the parents who help the children do their homework, because it's very monotonous and children at times don't want to do it. FlipLearn, with their homework transformation system, plans to, or actually we have reached where we will be able to assign homework in one click. It will be a homework which will be created out of the repository that we have, which is aligned topic wise, subtopic wise, chapter wise. We will preset customizable homeworks made by experts. So teacher can quickly just preview the homework which is there, and she can share it with the children. There'll be a automated correction. All the objective type questions will be corrected by the children, students, or by the system itself, and there'll be a report generated, and teacher will get to know if she has given 10 questions, how many children have corrected first question correctly, how many of them have corrected second question correctly. So she will get a report. And with the long answers, we will have a plagiarism check, so that children are not just copying and pasting from the net or any other resource. Homework transformation system will also assist the child while doing the homework with the right reading material. So when we are talking of homework transformation system, it is going to be a comprehensive system where teacher can combine the reading material which will be relevant for that particular topic. The children can go through the reading material. It could be the content which is part of FlipLearn. It could be content which the teacher has created on her own. And it could also be some content which is present on the net. It could be a YouTube video that teacher wants them to see before they attempt the homework. Then the children will see the module, they read the material, do the homework, and then it will get auto corrected by the system. The teacher can also combine project work along with the homework. So all these three things will make a homework transformation system. So vision of the homework, how it's going to change. The current old system where it is the same homework for all the students, homework is a drudgery and highly demotivating, because since it's a routine that has to be followed, it is being done. It works very hard to identify the academic strengths and the weaknesses of the student. Since it's the same homework for the students, some of them can do it in 10 minutes. Some of them are actually not interested in doing it. And some of them take hours to do it. There is zero analytics. Like I shared before, teacher does a routine correction. Children do it routinely with parents' help or on their own. And the notebooks are never opened again. With FlipLearn Edge Homework Transformation System, or HTS as we are now calling it, adaptive homework as per the learning needs of the students. The teacher will be able to divide children into groups and give them specific homework. Doing homework is going to be a pleasure, as it will be efficient and it will be tech savvy. It will not take a lot of work, and children will be still able to build on their concepts and learn on the application aspects, since it's going to be a comprehensive homework. It will be easy to identify academic strengths and then weaknesses of the student, since it is going to be a highly specialized homework. Detailed reports and diagnostics for all classes and all individual students' progress will be there, which will help teacher to plow back the feedback in the teaching learning process. It will help the parents to identify the strengths and the weaknesses of their own wards and then help them accordingly. It will also help the principals to give an overview of how the students' general performance level is there in the school. So we can create every child's learning profile based on FlipLearn Edge HTS. So, so that is what our system is going to be. I would have loved to give if we have time, maybe I can show it on the laptop only, maybe very briefly what all I am talking about. So Rajneesh, we do have time?
Very briefly, if you can show it very briefly, maybe in a couple of minutes.
Sure. So just, I'll share my screen once again. So every teacher and a child gets a unique login ID and password through which they log in. And I am showing you right now the teacher's wall, how it looks like.
The
Is it
screen is
visible?
not visible. No, it's not visible.
Okay. Is it visible? Now I am sharing the screen. Let me just. I don't know. My earlier screen was visible. So let me.
Okay, I think it's somehow some technical thing.
Glitch
It's
that.
not
Yeah.
visible. It's not visible.
Yeah.
So you can continue and
So I'll just try and. Is it visible now? Is it visible? Because it's showing me
yes,
talking.
yes, it's
Okay.
visible now.
So every teacher, when she logs in with her login ID and password, she's taken to this page. And on the first tab, you can see it's the content. Like I said, we have curated content, which is organized class-wise, subject-wise. So whenever the teacher logs in, it is aligned as per her index, and she can teach whatever, but the focus is on homework. So this is the school tab, which every teacher gets to log in, and she can enter the book. It's actually entering a virtual school from here, and she can assign homework from here. On the tab, we on the phone, it is a little different, because there the teacher can simply click the new. It is not active on the laptop, it is a mobile app. So where the teacher gets to just click few clicks, and she is able to send the homework. I'll Homework test, for example. Today we are on 13th of August. So teacher can either attach something which she has as a learning material. She can send the content from the FlipLearn repository, or she can send her own content. She can create her questions and send it to the children. For example, what what are the different kinds of noun? So she just has to then, in case she wants to start it at a particular time, she can fix the time. So the homework becomes open at 12:38. If she wants to change the time here, she can maybe make it 50. She wants to end it at a certain date, she can. If she wants to give a time limit, she can give the time limits. For example, the time limit for this is 20 minutes. So whatever time the child starts, he has to finish it in 20 minutes. So that's how easy it is going to be. In case she wants to add questions from the repository, she can do that as well. So in case I am going here again once more, and I click on homework, and I want to test homework. She can name it the way she likes, and she can give the instructions here, whatever instructions for the children that they need to do, what they require to do. Then I can just go and add questions, and from here I will get add questions. I can go to the question bank, and I can add as many questions as I want, and I can add selected questions. I can change the marks here, and I can just simply save, and it goes to the children. Saved successfully, and it will go to the children. So that's how easy it is.
Okay, thanks, Deepika. And I'm sure we are having an attendance of at least 400 to 500 educationists and academicians are
Sure.
witnessing the show today. And I'm sure many of them would like this solution and get in touch with you to work on it. So thanks a lot, Deepika.
Thank you
And
so much, Rajneesh.